Welcome to the Southern Maryland Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Southern Maryland housing market, which includes these areas. In February, the signs in the U.S. economy were a mix of positive and uncertain. There were 236,000 jobs added in February, better than forecasters had predicted. The unemployment rate fell to 7.7%, and the drop was due mostly to people finding work as opposed to dropping out of the labor force. Home prices across the country continue to rise, and the inventory of homes for sale is at its lowest level in 13 years. Demand remains robust, and the outlook for the housing market is strong nationally. Despite these positive economic signs, the mandatory federal spending cuts of sequestration and the congressional battle over the budget continue to fan the flames of uncertainty. By the end of March, Congress and the President must approve federal spending levels for the remainder of the fiscal year. It's unclear how the sequestration cuts will be incorporated in the final budget numbers, but the D.C., Virginia, and Maryland economies could be disproportionately affected. There were 243 sales in the Southern Maryland region housing market in February, 31% higher than this time last year and the sharpest gain for any month in nearly 3 years. New pending contracts are also on the rise, up 15.5% from last year. The sales and new pending contract growth provide evidence of continued demand in this market. The inventory of active listings continues to decline in the region. There were 1,728 active listings at the end of February, down 9.9% from last year. The inventory pattern appears to be slowly changing, however, as new listings have been growing for 6 of the past 7 months relative to last year. There were 525 new listings in February, up 4% from last year. At $238,900, the median sale price for the region is up 6% from February 2012, an increase of $13,900. The lower supply of active listings is putting some pressure on the median sale price, and at 72 days, the median days on market remains unchanged from this time last year. As we enter the spring market, it's likely that sellers will continue to respond to the low inventory, which should keep new listings trending upward. While economic uncertainty continues to linger, signs of demand remain in the market, such as the increase in sales and new contracts and decreased time on market. That's the Southern Maryland Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.